Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explore some core concepts in JavaScript: variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops, all explained with examples. JavaScript is one of the most popular languages in the world, and it's the backbone of the interactive websites. And now, let's get started. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a versatile programming language that brings websites to life. It runs directly in your web browser, making web pages interactive and dynamic. It's used in both front end development, that's what the user sees, and back end development, which runs on the server. For simple effects to complex applications, JavaScript powers millions of websites and web apps across the internet. Now let us see about the understanding about variables. Variables are containers that store data values. In JavaScript, we can declare variables using three keywords: var, let, and const. Var is the older way to declare variables. Its function scope can be redeclared and updated. Example: var x equals to 10. Let is block scoped, can't be redeclared, and can be updated. Example: let name equals to Alice. Lastly, we are talking about const. Const is block scoped, can't be redeclared or updated after assigning. Example: const pi equals to 3.14. Choosing the right keyword helps your code clean and predictable. Working with arrays. Arrays can store ordered collection of items. Think of them as lists. Creation. Let fruits equals to bracket of apple, banana, cherry. Access. Fruits index of 0 gives apple. Modify. Fruits index of 1 equals to grape. Add fruits dot push of orange. Remove fruits dot pop. And for lastly length, fruits dot length. Arrays are powerful because they can hold numbers, strings, or even other arrays. Now let us look into the functions, like defining functions. Functions are blocks of code that perform a specific task. Now let us look into the example. Basic syntax is function greet of name. In curly braces we write written hello plus name. We can call it like a great of Alice. There's also a shorter syntax called arrow functions. Now let us look into the examples. It is a more concise way to write functions, especially for the shorter ones. Like const add is equals to a comma b implies a plus b. Functions keep code reusable and organized. Now let us look into about understanding objects. Objects are collection of key value pairs perfect for representing real world things. Now let us look into the example. Let us think there is a car blueprint and we have to make an object. Now let car equals to make Toyota model Camry year 2022 start function of. Here we write instead of print like in C languages in JavaScript or Java we use console.log. Here we use console.log of engine started. Now we can access data with car.make or car bracket of year. Objects group related data and functions together. Now lastly look into the mastering of loops. Loops let us repeat code until a condition is met. There are three types of loops: for loop, while loop, for off loop. Now let us first look into the for loop. For loop is fixed number of times, that is, example, for off let I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Console.log I. Here ideal for when you know the number of iterations. Now let us look into the while loop. Continues as long as specified condition is true. That is runs while condition is true. Example: let count equals to 0 while count less than 2. Console.log of count plus plus plus. Now lastly for loop, for off loop, iterates over iterable objects like arrays. it goes through each item in an array. Example, let numbers equals to 1, 2, 3. For let number of numbers, console dot log of number. Here loops are key of for working with list of data. And this is what about the core concepts of JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Try out these examples in your browser or code editor and keep practicing to build your JavaScript skills. Thank you very much.